Oh no. Sorry about that, guys. Let me started. Why is Marty? Hi! Hi guys, this is Luigi and welcome back to our other video. Sorry if the camera just fell at 0. Sorry if the camera fell on 0. But I have some this video is going to be called, it's okay. This video is going to be called Luigi's Unhappy Announcement. And if you don't know why, I might...
I'm going to make a video.
Okay. I might have made a video of this before, but yeah, I might have made a video of it. It's called Luigi and Mario Getting a New Puppy video. We're not getting actually a puppy because my mom doesn't like puppies. But instead of that, you might have saw me unboxing it. It was a Pokemon. I just got that instead of a puppy. That is still good. And that was my first sad announcement. And my other sad announcement was, I think I have made a video about this, but I don't know. I think I made a video. I tried my best to make it, but it couldn't work. And sorry if the light is turning off and on. Sorry, but I might have made a video about this, but something kept on happening. I don't know what kept on happening. It wasn't past 15 minutes. But yeah, I don't know what happened to it. But I'm still going to upload this video. Yeah, because whoever wants me to make that, you guys said, why did you delete that? You might have saw it was not working out good. So I deleted it. And yeah, that's my other sad announcement because I deleted that video. And my other one is hopefully this will upload. And those are the 3 things that those are the unhappy announcements. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment. I don't need to say thank you, but subscribe, like, comment, put your name in the comment box to be our friend, and bye!